Hey boys and girls, today we are going to practice some sight words. I have on my paper 4 sight words, and I have actually uploaded this page to your Dojo post so you can see it under the file tabs as an attachment. So if you can print it out and follow along, but if not, that is okay. And you can just write along with me on a piece of paper. So the first one we have is the word two. So on your paper, you can write T-O for two. And then I went ahead and colored the word two. I have 4 words. Two, 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 and two. So now let's read the sentences with the word two in them. I want you to read along with me. Are you ready? I go to bed. Can you find the word two in that sentence? Is it the first word, second word, third word, or fourth word? That's right, it's the third word. So I'm going to circle the word two. All right, let's read sentence number 2. I like to read in bed. Do you like to read in bed? I do. Can you find the word to in that sentence? Right here. It's the third word again. All right, sentence number 3. I read to my mom. To is right here. Our last sentence. My mom reads to me. And here we have to as the fourth word in the sentence. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we have two right here. So I'm going to switch colors for my next sight word. And my next sight word is the word A. So in my box right here, I'm looking for the words A. Do you see any of the words A? There's one on the top row. Can you find it? Perfect, right here. Here's another one. Do you remember what this word was? Two, from over here. All right, let's read our sentences. Are you ready? I see a cat. A. Let's circle it. It is a big cat. A is right here. The cat is on a mat. Where's the word a in that sentence? The cat is on a mat. A right here. Our last sentence says, it is a red mat. So we have a as the third word here. All right, let's move on to the bottom of the page. Our third sight word is the word you. And I'm going to pick the color orange. So if you're following along on your paper, you can write the word you. You is spelled Y-O-U. And I'm going to look on my box and see if I can find any words that are spelled Y-O-U. Here's one. I'm going to color it in. And here's one more. And here's one more. And on my second row, I have the word you nowhere. So only on the top row. Now, let's practice reading with the word you. I see you. Let's circle it. The word you in the sentence is the last word. I like to read with you. Again, it's the last word. I like to play with you. Let's circle the word you. Oh, but now here in this sentence, I see the word you as the first word. You are my friend. Let's circle the word you. And look, at the beginning of the sentence, we have a capital letter. And here I have a lowercase letter. Do you remember why this is a capital letter here? That's right, because it starts our sentence. So let's review what we have so far. We have the words to, a, you. What about this word? Do you know that word, boys and girls? It's on your sight word list. Have you been practicing? I hope so. That word is the word and. A-N-D spells and. So I'm going to look to find the word and. How many words of and can you find? 1, 2, 3. I found 3. Did you find any more? Let's color them. And. Do you remember this word? That's right. That word is you. What about this word? A. And that one? 2. So let's read our 4 sentences and find the word and. Are you ready? Get your magic fingers ready and read with me. It is hot and sunny. I wish it was hot and sunny today. It's kind of cold outside. And is the 4th word. First, second, third, 4th. So I'm going to circle it. What about the second sentence? Ted and I go to camp. And is the second word in the sentence. First, second. Okay, let's see what they do at camp. We fish and sing. Here it is. What number of the sentence is this? First, second, third. It is fun. Now in this sentence, we don't have any of the words and. So we are not going to circle any words in this last sentence. But we're going to move on to practice list number 2. If you have your list number 2, you can try to race the teacher. See if you can say them before me. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, is, her, there, some, out, as, be, have, go, we, am, then, little, down, do, can, could, when, did, what, so, see, not, were. Great job, boys and girls. If you followed along and you have some sentences written on your paper from earlier or a paper at your house, I would love to see your awesome sentences. You can send it to your teacher on Dojo.